Hey guys, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a LinkedIn cover photo here in Canva. So once you've opened your Canva, you will see a set of options over here in the middle that you can choose from, and one of them is LinkedIn background. But if you don't see it here, just click on social media, then you will see LinkedIn, so click on it, then click on LinkedIn background photo. Then it will open a new tab, and then over here at the left side bar, these templates will appear over here, so you can scroll down and check for templates that you'd like to use, or you can also look for specific themes by searching over here in the search bar. Take for example, I'm going to search for minimalist, and I can go ahead and choose a template from here. And once you've selected one, just click on it, and then you can go ahead and customize this. You want to put your own name, then your contact info, and you can also put your job title if you want. And once you're done with that, just click on share, then click on download, and that's it. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.